Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Gmail application on your PC. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, open Microsoft Edge browser from your device. Make sure that you do not open any other browser because it won't work. Now, at the address bar, go to your Gmail. Now, at the top right corner of your screen, you can see 3 dots. Click on it. You can also click Alt F on your keyboard. After that, hover your mouse to the Apps section here. And you can see Install this site as app. Click on it. Now, name your application here. And click on Install button. Now, you can pin this at the taskbar by checking this box. You can also pin it to the start, or you can also create desktop shortcut by checking this box. After that, click on Allow button. Now, you can see that you have successfully downloaded Gmail application on your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.